Today, we're going to learn on how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say a variety of other interesting words in English. So, how exactly do we pronounce this name? Aoife. Let's repeat. Aoife. Once again. Aoife. How exactly do we pronounce this name? Cuiva. Let's repeat. Cuiva. Once again. Cuiva. We're going to learn on how to pronounce this name, Saoirse. Let's repeat. Saoirse. Once again. Saoirse. How exactly do we pronounce this name? Niamh. Let's repeat. Niamh. Once again. Niamh. We're going to learn on how to pronounce this name, Roisin. Let's repeat. Roisin. Once again. Roisin. How exactly do we pronounce this name? Clodagh. Let's repeat. Clodagh. Once again. Clodagh. We're going to learn on how to pronounce this name, Aisling. Let's repeat. Aisling. Once again. Aisling. How exactly do we pronounce this name? Sinead. Let's repeat. Sinead. Once again. Sinead. We're going to learn on how to pronounce this name, Siobhan. Let's repeat. Siobhan. Once again. Siobhan. How exactly do we pronounce this name? Imogen. Let's repeat. Imogen. Once again. Imogen. Pretty straightforward once you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce other words or names. If you like this video, do consider hitting like and subscribe. And looking forward to seeing you in the next video.